Hello guys, welcome to day 290 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to tell you about how much progress have I done in programming through these 290 days. So this is the question that I got a lot during the comment section, and I'm going to tell you about it. The first thing that we are going to talk about is the projects that I have done in these days. So I already created 16 projects, and they are very different from each other, and I'm going to show you what are they. Then I'm going to talk about what is my current situation in programming and what are my next steps that I'm going to do for learning programming. So let's start talking about this. The first thing was what are the projects that I have done. Let me show you. These projects are 16, but some of them took me some while to do it. So let me tell you this, that my time has two separate parts. The first part is to learning through watching videos, and the second part is practicing what I have learned. So the first project that I'm going to show you is my mega menu. This is my mega menu. I forgot how was it going to work. So I think when I press the purchase button, all of these buttons are going to appear, and if I press back, all of these going to disappear, and every single of these pictures are a link. Okay, so when I press on them, they are going to some fake address URL. So I didn't wanted to put a lot of time into creating a page for every single of these links, but I just tried to create the mega menu. So this is the practice for mega menu, and these are the titles, links, and it could be every subtitle could be a link. I didn't want to do that. So the main practice was to create this menu. Let me show you another of my projects. So this is my first project, first website that I tried to create. So at the first, it's going to ask you, are you male or female? And you have to say the answer, press OK, and it alerts you welcome. You're pressing OK, and there is some pages. It is very simple. Portfolio. Okay, so this is the portfolio page, one of other pages of my website. So when you press this button, it changed the slider. You have some description. You can press on this and go to another page, and you have a resume page, contact page. But I created a contact page. It is a sample picture. Here I could put another picture, and here is a form that the user can type something for himself or herself. And this is my other website. Let me show you one more website that I have created. This is a game, an online game that I created for myself. As you can see, there's a timer here, and in this period of time, you have to answer the question. I mean, there's a question here. There is a hint here. It's supposed to be hint, but I just put a picture on that. I just tried to create the online game. So imagine this is a hint image, and this is a question, and the user have to answer, choose one of these answers. So if you press answer 1, it alerts you the answer is wrong, and when you press OK, it will show you the right answer, which is this one. And it's going to the next question, who is the main character of One Piece. I tried to create a search bar. I tried to create a page for a sign up newsletter page for Mr. Beast, a loading page, a loading icon. So this was a practice of creating a loading. So I tried to create a comment section. Let me show you this one. So this is a comment section. When the user types something here, for example, hi, how are you, and press the send button, the comment is going to appear here, the profile it has. You can press the like button, dislike, and press this button as dislike, and press a reply button. And you can here choose a reply button and type something here as well, press send, and the answer is going to save in a variable, but it's not going to show it here. So these were about web developing projects that I tried to learn during these 290 days. But I also, as you know, I'm a master's degree of AI student, and I learned Python as well in this time. This is irrelevant to the web development, but I had to learn it. So at the same time, I learned Python in reinforcement learning, in machine vision. So this is one of the projects that right now I'm working in. So this is a windy grid world that I'm trying to create, which is there is a table here, as you can see, and there is a AI. That this AI have to find its way to this cell called goal. So this is the start page and a start cell, and this is the goal cell. The agent have to find its way. The agent have to learn to find its way to the goal. About web development, right now I'm working on the learning backend. So EJS is the subject that I started yesterday, and going to study this today as well. It's embedded JavaScript, and we try to learn how to use templating, if I spell it right, templating, in order to make JavaScript work faster in the HTML. So we can use JavaScript in the HTML embedded, right? So this is what I'm right now working on, learning back end. And I think about 114 days has left in order to finish this challenge, and I have to watch 2 videos per day in order to finish this challenge on time. There's a lot of subjects that I'm going to learn, which is React, Mongoose, SQL, APIs, ICP. So there's a lot of stuff that I still need to learn. So I'm going to finish it in the time. So these were my plans, and also what I have worked on in these 295 days. I hope this helped you as well in order to have some concepts about what you are going to learn in 290 days. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow.